I am flying out to Germany tomorrow, so here's what I'm packing. And I should note that I hate checking bags, so if I never have to, I will not do it. So I will only bring in one carry-on and a backpack. So this is just to show you what I am packing for Germany. So content, baby, let's do it. So one of the most important things for sure is my passport. So we're gonna put this into the bag first. I typically put this in my backpack to where I can find it easily. And next up we have some medicine. This is just, you know, necessity. So put that in here. I have my jewelry and my watch. They're all in this bag right here. So I really hate the security line in the airport. It's a very stressful environment for me. I hate it. I want to go do it as fast as possible. So I take everything off beforehand, and then once I pass security, then I put on my watch, my necklace, and my ring and all that back in. So go into the bag for now. Next up, I am bringing a couple glasses and my charger, which is right here. So this is very much a necessity. Then my camera, my film camera. So I will be taking a lot of photo, me and my partner. And I don't know, I just like the quality of film camera. I love the yellow hues. Camera, that goes in the bottom because I won't be checking this. And then this is just a gift that I bought for my in-law. So that's gonna go into my duffel actually, because it's fine. Go in here. Now let's talk about clothes. So I am bringing this blazer. This is for my partner. So I don't wear this anymore. And my partner really wants an oversized blazer. We went to Paris and we couldn't find any, so now we found one. So we'll put that at the bottom. And then we have, so I'm bringing a couple of shirts. This one is just a Raf Simon, the drug collection. This will be my sleeping shirt, because hopefully we will at least have a fan or AC. And you know, or if not, I guess I'll sleep shirtless, but I like sleeping in a shirt. This is a decent quality shirt. I got this in New York. I drove 4 hours for it, so I don't think it's money worth. I am bringing 2 underwear and then 1 underwear that I'm wearing, so 3 in total. That can go in here. Let's do top pants first. So I am bringing 4 pairs of Homme Plisse trousers. So I'm going to put that in. Let's fold them nicely. I should note that although I am bringing 4 pairs, I'm only coming back with 1, if any at all, because they're mainly for my partner and I know she's gonna steal them. So, but you know, I bought them for her, so it's fine. But yeah, so 4 pairs of Homme Plisse trousers. So let's put that in first, because she has to take care of a little bit of it, because the fabric is very thin. So put that on the bottom so it doesn't move. Yeah, so Homme Plisse, they're very comfortable and I really like it. I'm sure you've seen my review video. I believe I have another video that will come out very soon after this video. And while I am in Germany, I have already recorded and have been recording, so I will still be releasing video weekly, if not bi-weekly. So for the 3 of you who are constantly checking my channel, there'll be content for you.
When I see you, there's nothing like your time.
And you know, if you want to see what I'm up to, you should follow me on Instagram. I will be spamming my stories. So you know, I'm trying to show everything that I can, because I enjoy watching my friends when they go on vacation, just to see what they're up to. So you know, I like when people post a lot of stories on when they're on vacation. It's fun. You know, I'm not a cynic and hate people when they post too much stories. I think if you are one of those people, it's kind of sad that you can't celebrate the success of your friends going on vacation. You know, going on vacation is a luxury. Most people don't go on vacation because they don't have the money for it. So yeah, anyway, I actually have a few talking points on my phone, so what else? Yeah, so I already got the underwear. I am also bringing 3 pairs of socks, which I will find right now. Socks. Yeah, so 3 pair of socks. So I can go in here. then I am also bringing this Rick Owens trousers. This is their Berlin sweat. This is in the towel colorway. You know, just sweatpants, just with the signature drawstring. But I got this for my partner actually, but to be honest, if I like it, I'm gonna keep it. I'm just gonna steal it back. But I got it for her. It's a very nice trousers, and unlike my other Rick Owens trousers, this one does not have the diaper effect. Speaking of, I might bring those trousers too, because these Rick Owens, like look, when you fold it up, like it can be like, fold into very small pieces. So I got 4 pairs of trousers already. This is the 5th, and I think I'll bring my diaper trousers as well. Hang on, it's behind the camera. I will also be bringing my diaper. So hang on before we do that. So let's compare real quick. So this is the diaper, as you can see, very drop crotch, and this one no drop crotch. I think I'll just bring both because you know they're very easy to pack. So why not? And don't worry, I will make a review video about these trousers soon. I hope. I have a lot of script going, so it should be okay. Let's pack this one as well. I don't really wear this diaper pants as much, but it's so easy to pack and they're very comfortable. So I might actually wear this the day off, but I believe the day off I will be wearing one of these Homme Plisse trousers. I haven't made up my mind yet. So pack this in here. And although the Homme Plisse trousers are great, I still like the pair of straight-legged black polyester trousers because I just feel very formal in these. So we are going to be going to a few fancy restaurants, so I will be wearing my Rick Owens diaper bag to look homeless, and then when we go to somewhere like McDonald's, I will, you know, dress up. So these are for that occasion. So put that in here. Next up, this is, I'm actually going to be bringing a lot of shirts. So this is just a shirt I wore for the video because I like it. I got this in a thrift shop. So I will be bringing this. I will also be bringing this pink shirt. And yeah, so I will practically live in these. So I will bring this pink shirt right here. So we'll just bundle it up. Put that in here. And then, where's my white shirt? Right here. And then I will also be bringing just a white long sleeve, which, you know, in the summer I don't like to wear shirts that much. I rather wear like button-up shirts because it's just easier. So it's gonna go in here. And this is probably my most expensive shirt. This is the Prada beach shirt. It's a very cool shirt. Fun fact. So when I first got into high fashion, this was one of the many pieces where I first discovered high fashion. I was like, damn, I would love to own that one day. Yeah, now I do. So I've been very grateful to own this piece and wear it every summer. I believe I've owned this for 3 summers now, and I wear them every summer. It's a nice shirt. So that will go in here. And also a few glasses because, you know, we don't have to wear a mask anymore, so I can wear my glasses and, you know, I won't breathe the fog into my nose. So we'll put that in the backpack. And a bucket hat, not a bucket hat, a fisherman hat. So I will be bringing this fisherman hat. I don't know where my black one went, but I also like this one. It's nice, it'll cover my face. And these 2 items I am actually bringing for my in-laws. So I also have another Prada beach shirt. This one is a size small, and this is with the camp collar detail. It's not like the formal neck detail, which I believe is a superior version. I just love camp collar detail because it looks better, and the tag is still on. I've had this for like 2 years now. I still got plenty of room. And then I am also bringing this Capital bandana shirt. This is a size 2, I believe. Yeah, this is a size 2. This is the Capital shirt. It closes like a kimono, so there's no button, so you tie it up like this, you know, when you put it on. So maybe I'll put some B-roll, but if I'm too lazy, I'll put a photo up of what it looks like on body. But yeah, it's a nice shirt. I still have the tag and everything on there, like even the please note return will not be accepted if you remove this tag. So, but it's a nice shirt. It's made from vintage bandana, I believe. And this jacket, this is what I will be wearing on the flight because I've been wanting to wear this in the summer setting. This is the BODE jacket. This is called the Grandma Quilt. I will put up some B-roll right now, but it's a really nice jacket. I do have one concern though. It was originally 4 stitches, but the 2 already fell off, so come on Emily, you can do better. Triple stitch these bitches. But yeah, this is super nice. I believe this is like, this is my favorite jacket, like formal jacket, not like coats, the down jacket and all that, just like a regular jacket, like this is my favorite. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna be wearing, and I will probably pick one of these Makasy trousers to wear. And lastly, I will also be bringing this Stefan Cooke body bag or shoulder bag because I got this in February and I have not worn them once. So I don't know how to function on this. I don't know how this is gonna feel after 10 hours. So if I take it with me on this trip, which I will be going for 2 weeks, I will for sure be, I will for sure be going to Munich, because you know, that's where he stays. We're trying to find an island right now to go to because we have a couple of days, so I'm suggesting Malta, but Ibiza is also on the list, but Ibiza is very popular in the summer for Europeans, so we might not go there. We might go to Greece, Mykonos. What else? We might go to Rome, not Rome, we might go to Italy because she really liked Venice, so Venice is one of the options. It's just beachy vibe, and I have a day or 2 by myself. I will probably be going to, if her and I don't go to Italy, I'm gonna go to Italy by myself. And if we do go to Italy, I'll pick some other place. Maybe I'll go to Innsbruck. Maybe I'll go to Basel, Switzerland. It's a nice town. Or I can go to somewhere the east of France because like it's gotta be 3 hours at most of train time. So I can go there, spend 7 to 8 hours, and then come back in time. But yeah, so I will be bringing this bag also. However, I'm not particularly too fond of the bag itself. I bought it for the strap, so if I don't like the bag, I'll just leave it at my girlfriend's house and then she can just use it. I'm bringing the strap back though. I'm not letting her keep the strap, but the strap is so cool. It's like, I've been wanting this for 2-3 years now and I finally have it, so she's not keeping the strap, I am. So we'll put that in my backpack. Or in here. Yeah, in here will do. Yeah, so that is what I am packing for Europe. 2 weeks on my phone. I talk about all the necessity. But yeah, I truly hate the airport. Like I love flying. I love going to a new city, but I really hate the airport itself. Like I love the first 15 minutes of it, but after that it's like just teleport me there. So that is why I'm bringing my Unisom. So once I sit in my chair, I'll take it. Within an hour, I'll be knocked out. So I am flying with Icelandic Air, so I will be, my layover is in Iceland, and it's a 5 hours flight from Boston to Iceland and then 3.5 hours to Munich. And then on my way back, I have a 17 hours layover in Iceland, so I will be looking into things I can do within like 10 hours. I've never done like a layover. I've never gotten out of the airport in a layover, so it's gonna be a new experience for me. But when I'm landing in Iceland, going to Munich, I will be asking the airport employees like, what's the protocol, like where's the locker, stuff like that. So I will figure out everything. Like, what's a suggestion for me to see? I know for sure I would like to eat some Icelandic food, like shark soup or whatever it is, or whale soup. I know they're known for that. But yeah, tomorrow I get to see my woman. It's like, it'll be fun. But yeah, thank you. Thank you for watching my video. This is just what I packed. So again, I pack really light. My backpack, I still have room, but I will also be putting my laptop in here. Actually, I don't know if I'm bringing my laptop yet. I really don't want to, but like my girlfriend's laptop, her laptop's really slow, and if you want to watch porn together, I have to bring my laptop. So you make sacrifices in a relationship. So yeah, this is it. This will be my shirt tomorrow. I will probably be wearing this shirt or like a white tee, and that's it. My name is Makasy. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you later. Bye.